Hi, this is Shaumya Sarkar from Redefine. आपने सिल्वर में इन्वेस्ट किया और suddenly you see the silver crash happen, then this video is for you. So if you see the silver in 30th and the first and second, we have seen that silver has a major crash, almost 28% crash on 30th. Silver has had a huge rally in last 1 year. It has almost up by around 150%, touched around $121 per ounce, but then suddenly it has crashed. And it has crashed so badly that a lot of people, including the brokers, their stop loss has been hit. Now I'll explain why this has suddenly happened. Silver actually going very strong. So there are a lot of buyers, but there are not enough silver in the market. So all trades were happening on the paper silver. There is a concept called FOMO, fear of missing out. So every investor was on the FOMO mode that they should not miss out the rally. As long as it has happened, there is no problem. But suddenly Trump announced Kevin Welch as a next Fed chief. Kevin is almost known for his neither hawkish nor dovish approach. He is advocating for a strong dollar for a very long period of time. He may decrease the rate for a short period of time, but may not remain there for a very long period of time. So as soon as we see there is a strong dollar opportunity, immediately the asset prices started cooling off because silver is mostly traded into dollar. Because it is traded into dollar, so when there is a strong dollar, obviously people need to pay more to buy a silver, and actually did not happen. So obviously silver started falling down, and it has falling down quite drastically. So a lot of people who had already invested into the silver made a good amount of profit. They started getting out of the market slowly, and that has given the tsunami of the sellers. At some time there are a lot of sellers, but there was no buyer, and that is the reason it has crashed heavily into the market. If you look at the MCX, 60,000 down in one day. That kind of scene we have not seen since 1981. So this is the first time we are seeing that kind of thing in this century or in this decade. But is the silver is over? I don't think so, because demand of silver has not gone out of the window. Sudden fall doesn't mean that the product has suddenly become bad. EVs, solar panels, all those things require silver. Only thing is that is hyped price has actually evaporated and it has come back to the normal thing. Even you have to understand that if silver remains at 420 or 430, can it be sustainable for the end users to use it? Like for example, who is developing a solar panel or developing an EV? So obviously it had to cool down. It has cooled down. But usually you have seen the commodity cycles take usually a longer time to recover. Sometimes it takes a year's time. So my suggestion would be that, which I told all investors on a regular basis, silver is a very, very volatile asset. All assets are volatile, especially these metals are very, very volatile. Gold still have a bullion, but silver is only an industrial metal. So that is the reason you should be very careful while investing into silver, as well as monitor it on a regular basis. Wealth Redefine is not recommending to buy or sell silver at this point of time. This is only for educational purpose. Please talk to your investment advisor. Do whatever you want to do as your next step. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.